Welcome to vinyllettering.com.au's decal instructional video. Vinyl lettering is made up of 3 layers: the application tape, the decal itself, and the backing paper. Before applying the decal, use a squeegee to ensure the decal has adhered to the application tape. Next, prepare your surface. Wash and dry the intended area. Avoid cleaners with chemical additives. We recommend washing with a soap and water solution before drying with a lint-free cloth. A razor blade can be used to remove previous lettering or glue. Now you are ready to apply your decal. This method is called the horizontal hinge method. It is suitable for most lettering with space between each letter. We begin by attaching a strip of masking tape to the top of the decal. The tape should only overlap on the top edge of the lettering, not the sides. Next, we attach the lettering onto our surface and measure to ensure the decal is in the correct position. We then cut between each letter. This makes peeling the backing paper away much easier. Try to make each section no wider than shoulder width. It is now time to remove the backing paper. Peel the application tape and attach decal away from the backing paper. If the decal has detached from the application tape, re-peel and re-squeegee that section as required. Discard the backing paper after peeling. Now use the squeegee to firmly fix the application tape and decal to your surface. Angle the squeegee at 45 degrees when pressing firmly. The last step is to remove the application tape. First, remove the remaining masking tape. Now we can easily remove the application tape. Carefully peel back the tape at an 180-degree angle. If the decal has adhered to the application tape rather than to the desired surface, re-peel and re-squeegee the edges. Repeat if required. It is common for air bubbles to exist at this point. Any large air bubbles can be removed by puncturing the edge of the bubble and gently pushing air out of this hole. Small bubbles will normally dissipate after several days. You have now successfully applied your vinyl lettering. For more information on vinyl lettering or to place an order, please visit vinyllettering.com.au.